Look at this.
Angola?
Look at the girls over there running in the water. Look how nice the sky looks right there. Look, see? Look at the girls coming. Hi. Okay, baby, come on. Whoa, that is one crazy storm. Holy moly. Holy moly, Katie. Look how dark it is. Let's see if we catch some some lightning. Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my gosh. It's crazy. It's like never ending. Wow. Wow. You didn't see that? Right behind you. Girls, come here. Hi, Judgy.
Hi.
Come here. Jasmine, come here.
I don't like dinosaurs.
No, baby, no. Let's go. Jasmine, come here. No more, no more, no more. We gotta go inside now. That is one crazy looking cloud. Airplane, yeah. It's a helicopter. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I saw that. Say hi, Vivi.